All right, so hello again. Today I will show you how to install OpenStack in Ubuntu. So this is my Ubuntu virtual machine. I have launched it from here, and you can set up it also. Download the ISO image and then run that. So here I'm going to first open a terminal. Okay, this is our terminal. So what steps we are going to follow are these. So first we are going to do is sudo apt update and then upgrade. Okay. So this is the same password that we used to log in. We enter that and it is updating things. Okay, so now these are done updating. Now what we are going to do is sudo apt upgrade. Okay, and we allow it. We do yes. It will take some time. Okay, so finally we are done with all these upgrades. Now we are going to focus on our main step. That is this. This is going to first install the microstack, the beta version. Okay, so we just paste this command and hit enter. Oh, sorry, we need to type sudo. We didn't copy it exactly. Sudo. Okay, so hopefully it will start now. Okay, so it has started downloading. As you can see there, it will take some time. Okay, so finally we are done downloading it. It depends on your internet speed. So once we are downloaded, okay. So once we are downloaded with it, now we are going to list all the microstack. So here we are going to paste this command and hit enter. So if this command works, then it shows the installation, at least the download part is done. Okay, now we are going to start the installation. So just copy this command and I will mention all these commands in the description. So this command will take around, you can say 10 to 15 minutes. So okay, so now we are done with the installation. And if you encountered any error, you can comment down them below. Okay, so and one more thing I forgot to mention is you need to allow minimum 4 GB RAM. Here you can see I have allowed it 6 GB RAM. Minimum is 4 GB. And okay, now let's see the next steps. Once the installation is done, we are going to confirm it. Okay, so this is the command, and we are going to paste it here and enter. Okay, so it is taking some time. Okay, now it is showing OpenStack version 5.2.0. So this is the current latest version. And now we are going to see the password for it so that we can open it in the browser. Okay, hit enter and it is asking for the password of our desktop. Enter. And this is the password. Okay. Now we are going to first see our IP address. So we are going to type if config and hit enter. Okay, so we typed IPA. So this command shows all our IP addresses. So in the second here I can see this is this ignore this loop IP. And now we are going to copy this IP 10.0.2.15 and we are going to Firefox and just paste this IP here and hit enter. So it will take some time to load. So now it is loading up the page. It will take a few seconds. Okay, now So the default username is admin, and password we need to copy from the terminal that we showed here. Where the password is? Okay, this is the password, and we are just going to copy it and paste in the browser, and just click sign in. Okay, not now. Okay, so finally it has loaded. It is loading slowly because we have our hardware limitations. We don't have much RAM to allocate. Uh, that's why I said minimum 4 GB of RAMs. So here we can see all of these features are ready. If we want to create something like EC2 or S3, we can create our own instances. So that was all for this video. Thank you. And yeah, let me know if you want to get help regarding creating EC2 or S3 services in this OpenStack and providing it like a server.